the onset of the pandemic has become an important instrument which has enabled the Reserve Bank to communicate the gist of the monetary policy decisions and the rationale behind it. And what is more, this has also given us an opportunity to explain Reserve Bank's assessment of the overall economic situation, both global and domestic, and also our assessment of the prevailing financial market conditions. So in that way, I think this has enhanced the entire process of communication from the Reserve Bank to a wider cross-section of people and stakeholders. So in that sense, we have great amount of satisfaction from doing that. And from time to time, we have been getting suggestions from many of you, and we try and incorporate your suggestions also into our statements and into our communication. Thank you very much for that. And the statement is as follows. As I make this monetary policy statement, we can derive satisfaction from the fact that the Indian economy and the financial sector stand out as strong and resilient in a world of unprecedented headwinds and swift cross-currents. Unlike the previous 3 tumultuous years, the uncertainty on the horizon appears comparatively less and the path ahead somewhat clearer. But we have to be acutely aware that the geopolitical conflict continues unabated and policy normalization globally is far from complete. Headline inflation across countries is on a downward trajectory, but is still high and above the targets. Labor markets in many countries are tight and demand is rotating back from goods to services. Hence, central banks across the world remain on high alert and watchful of the evolving conditions, even though many of them have tempered their rate hikes or even taken a pause. Financial stability concerns persist in advanced economies, although they appear to have been contained due to resolute actions. Retrenchment in trade, technology, capital flows caused by geopolitical fault lines and economic fragmentation further complicate the situation. In these challenging times, the Reserve Bank of India has continued to focus on preserving price and financial stability, while ensuring adequate flow of financial resources to all productive sectors of the economy. As a result, domestic macroeconomic fundamentals are strengthening. Economic activity is exhibiting resilience. Inflation has moderated. The current account deficit has narrowed, and foreign exchange reserves are comfortable.